Tired of the endless job hunt? Assume that landing your dream job in just 2 days. It might sound like a stretch, but the power to manifest your desired career is within your grasp. You possess an innate ability to shape your reality, and your job search is no exception. Let's dispel the myth that landing a dream job is solely dependent on your resume, experience, or luck. While these factors play a role, they are secondary to the power of your mind. Your thoughts are the architects of your reality, and by harnessing their potential, you can attract your dream job with astonishing speed. The secret lies in understanding that your consciousness is the sculptor of your experience. What you focus on, what you believe, and how you feel all contribute to the tapestry of your life. By mastering your thoughts, you gain dominion over your circumstances. Let go of the notion that limited job opportunities or stiff competition dictate your destiny. Instead, recognize that you are the captain of your job search. Your imagination is your compass, guiding you towards the shores of your desired career. Visualize yourself already in your dream job. Immerse yourself in the emotions associated with it. Allow yourself to bask in the sensations of fulfillment, excitement, and peace. This mental rehearsal primes your subconscious mind for manifestation, drawing your desires closer to fruition. The universe is a mirror reflecting your inner world. When you cultivate positivity, gratitude, and faith, the external world responds in kind. Challenges are not roadblocks, but opportunities for growth and variation. Think of them as stepping stones towards your ultimate career goals. Persistence is paramount. Keep your focus unwavering, even when faced with doubt or setbacks. Your desires are seeds planted in the fertile soil of your mind. With consistent nurturing, they will inevitably blossom into reality. Trust in the intelligence of the universe. It knows your path better than you do. Surrender to the flow and allow the magic of manifestation to unfold in its perfect timing. You are a divine being, capable of creating miracles. Unleash your inner power and watch as your dream job becomes your reality. The world awaits your brilliance. Imagination is not just a tool for wishful thinking. It is the very force that shapes your reality. The external world is a mirror reflecting your internal state, and by consciously directing your imagination, you can create the circumstances you desire. To begin this process, it's essential to be crystal clear about the job you want. Take a moment to define it in as much detail as possible. What position are you aiming for? What does the work environment look like? How do you feel when you think about this job? Clarity is the first step in impressing your subconscious mind with the reality you wish to experience. Once you have clarity, move on to the practice of visualization. Visualization is not just about seeing images in your mind. It's about creating a vivid, multisensory experience. Close your eyes and assume that you are already in the job you desire. See yourself sitting at your new desk, interacting with your colleagues, and performing your tasks with ease. Engage all your senses in this process. Feel the texture of the desk under your hands. Hear the sounds of the office around you, and even notice the scent of the air. The more detailed and realistic your visualization, the more powerfully it will influence your subconscious mind. Now, here's where the key to rapid manifestation lies. Feel the emotion of already having the job. This step is crucial. It's not enough to simply see yourself in the position. You must feel the satisfaction, relief, excitement, and pride as though you've already been hired. Emotion is the driving force behind manifestation. It's the language your subconscious understands, and it's what propels your desires into reality. After you've fully immersed yourself in this feeling, release the visualization and go about your day. This might seem counterintuitive, but it's important not to dwell on it or obsess over the outcome. Obsession and doubt can create resistance, which delays manifestation. Instead, trust that the process is working and that your desire is already on its way to you. This trust is not passive. It is an active state of confidence and knowing. As you go through your day, act as if you already have the job. This doesn't mean you should stop applying for jobs or taking necessary actions. On the contrary, continue your job search with a sense of assurance that the right opportunity is already yours. When you receive interview invitations or job offers, respond with the calm confidence of someone who knows they are in demand. Your actions should align with the reality you've created in your imagination. Another powerful tool in this process is affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your desired state of being. For example, you might say, "I am now employed in my dream job," or "The perfect job is already mine." The key to effective affirmations is repetition and conviction. Say them multiple times throughout the day and say them with feeling. Over time, these affirmations will become embedded in your subconscious, further reinforcing the reality you wish to create. It's also important to cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrational states you can be in, and it aligns you with the frequency of abundance and fulfillment. Begin each day by expressing gratitude for the job you are about to receive. Thank the universe for bringing this opportunity into your life, even before it physically manifests. Gratitude acts as a powerful magnet, drawing your desired experiences toward you. In addition to these practices, pay attention to the signs and opportunities that come your way. When you align yourself with the reality of having your desired job, the universe often responds with synchronicities, unexpected events, meetings, or opportunities that move you closer to your goal. Be open and receptive to these signs and act on them when they appear. For instance, you might suddenly feel inspired to reach out to a company you hadn't considered before, or you might receive a call from a recruiter with an offer that seems too good to be true. These are not coincidences. They are the universe's way of guiding you toward the fulfillment of your desire. Trust in these signs and follow them with confidence. As you continue to practice these techniques, you will begin to notice shifts in your reality. Perhaps you'll receive an unexpected job offer, or maybe an interview will go exceptionally well. These are indications that your subconscious mind is responding to the new state of consciousness you've cultivated. The more you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desired outcome, the faster it will manifest in your life. It's also worth noting that this process requires persistence and patience. While you may be focused on manifesting a job within 48 hours, it's important to stay committed to the process even if results don't appear immediately. Sometimes, there may be a slight delay as your new state of consciousness takes hold, and the universe rearranges itself to bring your desire into reality. Trust the timing and continue to hold your vision with unwavering faith. In the meantime, avoid dwelling on any negative thoughts or doubts that may arise. These thoughts can create resistance and slow down the manifestation process. If you find yourself slipping into doubt, gently remind yourself of your visualization and the feeling of already having the job. Refocus on the positive emotions associated with your desired outcome and let go of any fears or uncertainties. Remember that the power to manifest your desires lies within you. You are the creator of your reality, and by consciously directing your thoughts, emotions, and actions, you can bring about any outcome you desire. This process of manifestation is not limited to finding a job. It can be applied to any area of your life where you wish to see change. If you apply these principles consistently, you will not only manifest your desired job quickly, but also gain a deeper understanding of the creative power within you. This knowledge is life-changing, and it will empower you to take control of your life and create the experiences you want. Now, if you found these insights valuable and want to continue learning how to manifest your desires, please give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps others discover these powerful techniques, and it also ensures that you'll receive more content like this in the future. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll stay connected and be the first to receive new videos that can help you master the art of manifestation and create the life you've always dreamed of. For those of you who are serious about making rapid changes in your life, subscribing is the best way to stay informed and motivated. Don't miss out on the latest techniques and insights that can help you achieve your goals faster than you ever thought possible. Hit that subscribe button now. If you know someone who could benefit from this information, consider sharing this video with them. Sharing this content helps spread the knowledge and can inspire others to take control of their lives and manifest their desires. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with these techniques. Feel free to leave a comment below and share how this method has worked for you, or ask any questions you might have. Your feedback is valuable and can help others on their path to manifestation. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Keep practicing these techniques and watch as your desires unfold with ease and speed.